Zumba, welcome back. Today we're gonna do a wave cut with the medium skin fade. Open the lever of the machine and create your first line. Now close the lever and create the line with the number 0. To erase the number 0 line, we're gonna put the lever on half. And we're gonna hit the line with the half. With the guard number 1, you're gonna go with the gray to create those perfect wave. With the guard number 1, open the lever and hit the line. Now you close the lever, you go on top of the line to create that blend, make it look beautiful. Using the guard number 0 with the lever closed, you're gonna start hitting that line. You hit it with the guard number 0 with the gray to create the blend a little better. And now with the TL liner, you're gonna take the rest of the hair you got on the bottom. And as you see how that medium skin fade look? Beautiful. We almost done with this side. You go to the other side, you repeat the same steps, and you're gonna have a beautiful fade. You do your lines, make sure it's always straight and clean, don't try to push too much back. I always recommend to repeat this step 3 or 4 times, like that you can make the haircut more clean and have these results. Beautiful, right? You like it? You want to watch more videos? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment on the bottom. Thank you very much.